Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Okay, in the previous video we discussed about a theoretical distribution. In the theoretical distribution, the 1 mark Bernoulli, binomial, Poisson and hypergeometric distribution we discussed. Now today we are discussing about the 2 marks, 1 mark and 2 marks. Both I will discuss Bernoulli binomial, Poisson and hypergeometric distribution. Okay. Already we discussed in the previous video the Bernoulli distribution. Okay. Bernoulli distribution, the features are very important here. The features only carries a main marks. The features here, the PMF. The PMF of a Bernoulli distribution is P of x is equals to P to the power x and Q to the power 1 minus x. Okay. P to the power x and Q to the power 1 minus x. What is the range of this one? The range is equals to x is equals to 0 and 1. The range is only 2 here, 0 and 1. Then the parameter, that is equals to a P. The mean is equals to P. The variance is equals to PQ. The standard deviation is equals to the square root of PQ. Okay. P, PQ and square root of PQ. Then these are the features of a Bernoulli distribution. Then for this we have to calculate the 1 mark question. They ask as a define Bernoulli distribution, write the PMF of Bernoulli distribution, what is the range, what is the parameter, what is the mean, variance and standard deviation. For 2 mark question, this is very important. Bernoulli distribution enadala 1 mark 2 marks very important. The 2 mark question, they are giving as a p value and they are asking as a calculating a variance and standard deviation or a range and PMF. If have to substitute a PMF, just we will discuss in the textbook. The sum of the examples is given in this. Just you observe here. The first example, P is equals to 0.25 for a Bernoulli distribution. Find mean and variance. This is a 2 marks question. Only P they are giving. P is equals to 0.25. Then you have to calculate Q is equals to 1 minus P. That is 1 minus P means that is a 0.75. Then what is a mean? Mean is P. We already know it. P is equals to that is a 0.25. Then variance is equals to P into Q. That is 0.25 into 0.75. That answer is equals to 0.1875. The maximum, the repeated question, this one, the 2015-2020 question paper, they ask maximum, it is a repeated question. Calculate mean and variance at the P value they are giving. Then the one more question. Write down the PMF of a Bernoulli distribution with a parameter 0.7. Also find a standard deviation. Just for PMF 1 mark and a standard deviation as a 1 mark. P is given as 0.7. Then Q is equals to 0.3. Then PMF is P of x is equals to P to the power x and Q to the power 1 minus x. Where x is equals to the range is 0 and 1. You have to write it with the PMF only. P of x is equals to P to the power x means 0.7 to the power x and 0.3 to the power 1 minus x. Just you are substituting the values of P and Q. The standard deviation is square root of PQ, that is 0.7 into 0.3, that comes as 0.21 and square root of that one is 0.4583. Okay, the PMF and standard deviation is over, mean and variance is over. Write down the Bernoulli distribution when P is equals to 1 by 3. Bernoulli distribution when P is equals to 1 by 3. The range is x is equals to 0 and 1. We already know it. then you have to calculate p is 1 by 3. You can take it in a decimal also. 0.3 ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. q is equals to 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is answer. Then probability of x, the Bernoulli distribution, you have to write like that. The table you have to take it, x is equals to 0, 1 and total. P of x is equals to 2 by 3 and 1 is 1 by 3. That is equals to, when we are adding these two, the total is 1. Okay. Then the same type of question here. If p is equals to 1 by 2 for a Bernoulli distribution, write down the mean and variance. If p is equals to 1 by 2, p is equals to 1 by 2 means p is equals to 1 by 2. That you have to convert it into a 0.5. If you want, you can take it. And then q is equals to 1 minus p. Then 1 minus 0.5, that is equals to a 0.5 or 1 by 2. Then you have to write it as a mean. That mean is equals to, must and should you have to mention it p. That is equals to a 1 by 2, or otherwise you have to write it as a 0.5. Then variance is equals to p into q, that is equals to a 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is equals to 1 by 4, that is 0.25 is the answer. This is a variance. Okay. Okay, these type of examples they ask in the 2-mark question. In a final exam, must and should, compulsory Bernoulli distribution, they ask these examples. Okay, come to that binomial distribution. A binomial distribution, just I am writing as a features of a binomial distribution. What is a binomial distribution PMF? The PMF is equals to P of x is equals to NCX P to the power x and Q to the power n minus x. Just you observe, don't take a confusion. Okay, the Bernoulli n is not there. For a binomial, NCX P to the power x and Q to the power n minus x. This is a PMF. Then what is the range? Range is equals to 0, 1, 2 up to a n. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n is a range of a binomial distribution. Then what is a parameter? Parameter is equals to n and p. N and p are the parameters of a binomial distribution. Then what is a mean? Mean is equals to np. That is, what is a variance? Variance is equals to npq. What is the standard deviation? Square root of npq. Okay, this is a very important. Mean, variance, standard deviation. And what is the relation between mean and variance in a binomial distribution? What is the relation between mean and variance in a binomial distribution? Means mean is always greater than variance. Mean is always greater than variance because the p is in between 0 and 1 and q is also in between 0 and 1. That's why it is a mean is always greater than variance. Which distribution when mean is greater than variance they ask. Okay. Then mean is equal to a mode, one more question, this one feature, that is a mean is equal to a mode when it is a mode are equal. Are equal when means the np is an integer. Np is an integer. Okay, this is a one more feature. Okay, then you have to take these features of a binomial distribution, and the some more features are there. You already studied in the previous video. Just I will take it as a 2 marks questions here. 2 marks questions, binomial distribution. Okay. Just to observe, in the question, For a binomial distribution, if n is equals to 5 and p is equals to 0.4, find mean, mode and variance. Okay, what is that is given? The question, 2 mark. If n is equals to 5 and p is equals to 0.4, find mean, mode and variance. Mean is equals to n into p, that is equals to 5 into 0.4, that is equals to a 2 answer. Variance is equals to npq, that is equals to 5 into 0.4 into 0.6, that answer comes as npq is equals to 1.2. Okay. Then mode is equals to a mean, that is equals to a 2 answer. This you have to write it. Just you observe, n is given and p is given. ಬರ್ನೋಲಿ ಒಳಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಪಿ ಅಷ್ಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೀನ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್, ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ mode is a one question. Then the one more question is there. Just I will show you. One more question. In a binomial distribution, if n is equals to 8 and mean is equals to 2, find p and standard deviation. Okay. If n is equals to 8. Next question. If n is equals to 8 and np is equals to 2, find p and standard deviation. np is equals to 2 is given. What is n? 8p is equals to 2. p is equals to 2 by 8. That is a 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a p value. Then what is a q value? q is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4. That is a 4 minus 1. That is a 3 by 4 is a q value. Then you have to calculate what is you are calculating the p value and standard deviation value. Standard deviation is equals to the square root of npq. Then the square root of 2 into n is np is equals to 2, na? That's why directly I am taking here 2 into a 3 by 4. That is a square root of 1.5 is equals to 1.2247 is the answer. 1.2247 is the answer. Okay. The one more question is there. Just we will discuss. For a binomial distribution, if n is equals to a 4 and standard deviation is equals to a square root of 2, find the parameters. Okay, I will show you how to calculate this one. Third question. If mean, that is equals to np is equals to 4 is given and standard deviation this is equals to the square root of npq, that is equals to square root of 2. Okay, this is given in the question. Then we have to take it the square root of variance. Then the answer is the variance. The variance is equals to npq is equals to 2. npq is equals to 2. Then what you are calculating? Find the parameters. n and p calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Find the parameters means the variance we know that and the mean we know that. Then if have to calculate npq is equals to 2 and np is equals to 4. 4q is equals to 2. Then q is equals to 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2, that is equals to a 0.5. That is equals to a 0.5 is a answer. Q, we got a p is equals to 1 minus q, that is equals to, that is also a 0.5. Okay. Then np is equals to 4. P is 0.2. Then n into 0.5 is equals to a 4 or 1 by 2, that comes n is equals to a 8 is a n value. N is equals to 8 and p is equals to 0.5. This you have to calculate these two. This is binomial distribution 2 mark question they ask. The one is they are giving as a n and np they are giving, and they have to calculate it as a standard deviation. Okay. Then the one question is n and p they are giving, and mean and variance mode you have to calculate, and mean and variance, mean and standard deviation they are giving, and you have to calculate np values. Okay. These are the 2 marks questions of binomial distribution. Then what is a Poisson distribution? Okay. Poisson distribution. Then the PMF, you have to take it, the PMF, P of x is equals to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by x factorial is a PMF of a Poisson distribution. Then range is x is equals to 0, 1, 2 up to a infinity. It goes up to a infinity. Then what is a parameter? Parameter is equals to lambda. What is mean? Mean is equals to lambda. What is a variance? Variance is equals to lambda. Then what is a standard deviation? Standard deviation is a square root of lambda. Okay, just you observe the mean and variance both is equal to a lambda. Mean and variance is equals to lambda. What is the relation between mean and variance in a Poisson distribution? Then you have to write it, mean is equal to a variance here. Mean is equal to a variance. That is equals to lambda is equals to lambda. Okay, you have to be careful here. Sometimes they ask which distribution when mean is equal to variance, then you have to write it as a Poisson distribution. Okay, these are the features of a Poisson distribution. You have to be careful for this is a very much useful in a 1 mark and 2 marks question. Okay, then 1 mark and 2 marks they ask in a Poisson distribution. If a random variable x follows Poisson distribution such that probability of x is equals to 1 and is equals to a probability of x is equals to 2, find the mean and standard deviation and the first probability term. Okay, we will calculate. I will show you how to calculate this one. Okay. Here, what is given? Probability of x is equals to 1 is equal to a probability of x is equals to a 2. This is given in the question. You have to calculate mean and standard deviation. E to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 1 means x value is given. X value is given, that's why I am writing x value 1 factorial. E to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 2 divided by 2 factorial. Okay, this e to the power minus lambda, e to the power minus lambda cancels. Only lambda to the power 1 means lambda. 1 factorial is 1. Lambda square divided by 2 factorial. 2 into 1, that is a 2 only. This 1 lambda and this 1 lambda cancels here. Okay. The lambda here 1 is equals to lambda by 2, that is equals to lambda is equals to 2. Lambda is equals to 2. This is mean. The mean of a Poisson distribution, that's lambda is equals to 2. Then what is the standard deviation? Standard deviation is equals to square root of lambda, that is equals to a square root of 2. That answer is 1.414. The 2 mark question, they ask only this one. But in this question, ಇದು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೀನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಾರ. ದ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಅದೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತೀಗ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ probability of x is equals to 0 andar. First probability term you have to calculate. E to the power, we know that one, minus 2, 2 to the power 0 divided by a 0 factorial. Then 2 to the power 0 is 1. Always anything raised to 0, according to mathematics, anything raised to 0 is 1. Divided by 0 factorial is also 1. Then e to the power minus 2 you have to see. E to the power minus 2. How to see the e to the power minus 2? Then we will supply a statistical table in the examination. Okay. Just you observe the 2. Here lambda value 2 you have to take it. 2.0 andanga 2 andra 0.1353 is the answer. 0.1353 is the answer. Okay. The first probability term is 0.1353. Just you have to take a table. From table you have to take a value and write it. Okay. Just I explain the second one. In a Poisson distribution, the first probability term is 0.2725. Find the next probability term. Okay. Okay. The first probability term is that is first means 0. That is equal to the answer is given as 0.2725 is given. This is given. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಮಗೆ. e to the power minus lambda to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial is equals to 0.2725. Answer is given. Okay. Then if have to calculate lambda value here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ lambda value ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ probability term ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then this is 1 and this is 1. This is 1 and this is 1. Then what is the e to the power minus lambda is equals to 0.2725. Then 0.2725, if have to take it from table, 0.2725 where it is, just if have to search it here, 2725. Okay, just you observe 1.3. 1.3, third 0.2725 value. Then you have to take it. Lambda value is equals to 1.3. Lambda value is equals to 1.3. Then the next probability term that is equals to 1. First dido, next dido. This second probability term antivi now. This first probability term is 0. E to the power minus 1.3. 1.3 to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Then 1.3 into e to the power minus 1.3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ into 0.2725. Then answer is 0.3543 is the answer. 0.3543 is the answer. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. In a Poisson distribution, 3 into P of 2 is equals to P of 4. Find standard deviation. Find a standard deviation. Square root of lambda ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ lambda ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು you have to calculate lambda first here in this. 3 into P of 2 is equals to P of 4. Then just they substituted 3 into e to the power minus lambda to the power 2 divided by 2 factorial. 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x value ಹಾಕಾರಿಲ್ಲ, x value 2 okay is equals to e to the power minus lambda to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial. e to the power minus lambda e to the power minus lambda cancel ಆಯ್ತು, lambda square cancels. Okay, 3 into, just I will show you how to calculate in this. here 3 into p of 2 is equals to p of 4. Okay, 3 into e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 2 divided by 2 factorial is equals to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial. 3 into ಇದು ಹೋಯ್ತು lambda square here remaining 2 into 1 that is 2, 3 by 2 ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ. lambda square divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 3 by 2 is equals to lambda square divided by 24. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 comes here in this. Lambda square is equals to 3 by 2 into 24. Lambda square is equals to 2 1s are 2 12s are 12 3s are 36. Then lambda is equals to 6. Answer, lambda is equals to 6. Then you have to calculate a standard deviation. Standard deviation is equals to square root of lambda, that is equals to square root of 6. That is equals to, the answer is 2.4495. Lambda is equals to 2.4495. Okay, this is a one type. Just what is given ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು probability of ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, then the question number 29th one, question number 29th. In the textbook. In a Poisson distribution, the first two frequencies are 100 and 120 respectively. Find the next frequency. Frequency function, that is a frequency function is t of x is equals to capital N into p of x. P of x is a frequency function formula. Okay, frequency function formula nodrile. In a Poisson distribution, if first two frequency andre idu 0 idu t0 idu t1, find the next frequency. t0 is equals to n into e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 0 divided by 0 factor. ನಾನೇ ಹಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. This is t0 is given as 100 in the question. t1 is equals to 120 is given. Okay, then what is the t0? t0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ tx ಅಂದ್ರೆ capital Tx, that is a tx is equals to capital N into p of x ಅಂದಂಗ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ tx is equals to ಯಾವುದ capital N ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅದು into e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by x factorial is a formula. This is a formula, frequency function. Then according to that we are writing capital N e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial. t1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? capital N e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Then if have to take it as a ಇಲ್ಲಿ t1 divided by t0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. t1 divided by t0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ t1 is capital N e to the power minus lambda, lambda ಇದು 1 factorial ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, lambda ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, ಇದು divided by n into e to the power minus lambda. ಇದದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, 120 divided by 100. Then this cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels. Then lambda is equals to 120 divided by 100, that is a 1.2. Lambda is equals to a 1.2. Then you have to calculate the next frequency function. T2 is equals to here the recurrence relation formula. Tx is equals to lambda by x into tx minus 1 is a recurrence relation formula. That is a recurrence relation formula. According to that we have to this 1 minus 2 divided by x is 2, tx minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ t1 minus 1, t2 2 minus 1 ಅಂದಂಗ, T2 is equals to 1.2 divided by 2. 2 minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ T1. T1 value 120 into 120. Then that is equals to comes as a 72. T2 is equals to a 72. Okay. Then the same way the 30th example is also given in the question. Example is given. In a Poisson distribution, the first two frequencies are 80 and 40 respectively. Find the next frequency term. Same you have to calculate. Same. How we calculated here, the same you have to calculate. Try to do it. You are getting the answer correctly. Okay. This is a Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution, 2 marks questions they are asking. Then, if you have to take it as a hypergeometric distribution. Hypergeometric, usually they are asking 5 marks only, but also we will calculate according to this hypergeometric distribution I will take. Hypergeometric distribution. Okay, sorry. That is, here the PMF you have to take it. PMF, P of x is equals to, what is the PMF here? PMF is ACX BCN minus x divided by A plus B. This is numerator the A plus B C. X cancel avutte Cn. This is PMF. This is a PMF of a hypergeometric distribution. Then the range is x is equals to 0, 1, 2 up to minimum of a comma n. Minimum of a comma n. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಎ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ, ಎನ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ. ದ ರೇಂಜ್. ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎ, B and N are the parameters. The 3 parameters here, the A, B and N. Then what is the mean? Mean is equals to, that is NA divided by A plus B is a mean. Then what is the variance? Variance is equals to NAB into A plus B minus N divided by A plus B whole square into A plus B minus 1. This is a variance of hypergeometric distribution, and standard deviation is equals to the square root of variance. You have to write this only. This is. Usually they ask a 5 marks question only. But also 2 marks 2 questions and 1 mark 2 questions are there. That's why must and should have to do it. They may ask any question. Okay. Then here the 2 mark question. Example, just I explain it here. The parameters of a hypergeometric distribution are A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 8 and N is equals to 6. Find the mean and standard deviation. Then A is given, B is given and N is given. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು. ಮೀನು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ. 6 into 3 divided by 3 plus 8. That is mean. Then what is the standard deviation? Just your whatever this is there, n a b into a plus b minus n a plus b whole square into a plus b minus 1. A plus b minus 1. Just you are substituting the values. Don't forget to take a square root. Then you are getting the answer as this one. This is a 2 mark question of hypergeometric distribution. And the one more question is there. Find the variance of a hypergeometric distribution with the parameters a, b and n. Then you have to take a hypergeometric distributions variance here. The variance formula you have to do it and you have to calculate. Okay. These are the binomial, Poisson, and hypergeometric distribution, Bernoulli also. But Bernoulli is a very important of this 1 mark and 2 marks. They must and should they ask a one question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 mark 2 marks ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Bernoulli must and should they ask in the examination. Okay, according to this you do it. In the next video I will do it the normal distribution, chi-square and t distribution. The chi-square and t distribution is also very important for a 1 mark and 2 marks. They are asking only a 1 mark 2 marks. ಇಲ್ಲಿ chi-square ಮತ್ತು t distribution ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ theoretical distribution ಒಳಗೆ 1 mark ಮತ್ತು 2 marks ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದು ಎರಡೂನು ನೀವು 1 mark ಮತ್ತು 2 marks ಬರೀ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದರದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಆ ಮೂರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 mark 2 marks we will solve and we will calculate examples. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, subscribe, like and comment the video.